Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix vampire crawlers game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. First solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. And then you can launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to clear the vampires crawlers cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for vampire crawlers game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting it and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to clear the persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If you do not find these features in your Xbox console, then skip these solutions. Solution 4 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch vampire crawlers and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now add your account and after adding your account, launch the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run vampire crawlers from store instead running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type vampire crawlers in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connections. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and see if it helps or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall a vampire crawlers game. So simply uninstall vampire crawlers game from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve vampire crawlers game crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.